Hi, you guys. So I was gonna do a fun little live and draw out chat for a little bit. I am still so sick. So this is gonna be super short. I'm just announcing the winner. This is our little member appreciation giveaway where I'm doing a set of my new fingerprint and texture stamps. This will be for a 3-piece set. I have my small size, my medium size, and the foot or handprint stamp as well. If you did not win and you want to buy one of these stamps, you could buy them on my website, which is eborns.com. I'm currently out of stock of the medium ones. Shockingly, those went really quickly. But I do have the small size and the hand foot one. And this one does work well on newborn. You could use it on toddlers as well if you want to, doing little pieces at a time. And for this giveaway, I'm actually going to throw in another extra little thing. This is not labeled all the way yet, but this is my new Milia Mix product that is going to be available very soon at McPherson's. This is just a little sample jar of it, so I'm going to give that to one of you as well. All right, you guys, so the winner of this giveaway is CJ's Little Ducklings Nursery. Congratulations, CJ. And I will be reaching out to you to get your address information for shipping. All right, you guys, this was fun. I hope to do another one soon. I really want to do more of these small little giveaways for you guys and hopefully give more of you a chance to win something. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon.